Kind verse or a kind universe isn't just kind towards human beings, but also the flora and fauna, kids, the powerless, the underprivileged, the sick, and the outcast. Because we're all in this together. We're all connected on a very deep level. We might look different and unique from outside, but we're all connected.
And I'll be sharing my lifetime of an experience. So life has its own way of testing us in ways we have never imagined, and for me it was the time when I've lost my dad. The world seemed cruel and unforgiving for me, since created a void in my life. My dad was my rock support, and losing a parent, I was overwhelmed with emotion. Every day since then has been a struggle to me in a way that I have never thought.
Kind universe, according to me, would be a world in which people will genuinely each other's feelings, well-being, and there would be less judgment, so that we do not have to push ourselves so much to be liked by others. The default mode of interaction would be kindness in a kinder world, and we would rather experience more generosity, empathy, and respect towards each other.
So, well, it would probably be a place or a universe where there were no wars. As you all know that, our place, our countries, our world has been ravaged by a lot of wars.
Okay, so what does a kind universe mean to me? So a kind universe would be one such universe where there are lesser deceit, lesser lies, and lesser cheating as well. A world where people are not so judgmental, a world where people are not outright lying to each other or deceiving each other, So that is my idea of a kinder universe, a kinder world. And also, of course, not to forget, a world where everybody is kinder to animals, especially stray animals. So yeah, that is my idea of a kind universe.
My type of kind universe is where humans and animals can coexist. Love will be the main mode of interaction, and there will be more space for happiness and acceptance.
A kind universe for me is a place where people put humanity at the top of anything else, where they realize that there is a bilateral relationship between them and the nature. A place abound by sensible people is how I envision a kindness to be.
Verse for me is a place where you can reach out to others for help and empathize with their feelings, understanding others' perspective and emotional trauma, offering a hand or a shoulder to cry on to others. In a kinder world, we would prioritize each other's mental health and reach out for their support. The pain of losing my dad remains, so I feel that I can find solace in the vision of the kind verse, and it's a reminder that even in the darkest time, there's a light to be found through the acts of kindness.
A lot of deceit. But if there only was a place where, we could be kinder and, we could live in harmony, all of us. Right? So yeah.
Kindness means a kind universe where people don't judge each other. We're kind to animals, kids, underprivileged, people who don't have power. And most importantly, we accept each other and share that togetherness with one another.